Hi and welcome to our lesson on learning the 12 times table. We can learn the first four answers in the 12 times table by multiplying the 1 and 2 in 12 by each number. For example, in 1 times 12, we can multiply the 1 by 1 to give 1, and 1 by 2 to give 2. 1 times 12 is just 12. For 2 times 12, 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. We multiplied the 1 and 2 in 12 by 2. In 3 times 12, we can do 3 times 1 to get 3, and 3 times 2 to get 6. 3 times 12 equals 36. In 4 times 12, we can do 4 times 1 to get 4, and 4 times 2 to get 8. 4 times 12 equals 48. We will now learn these four answers. When multiplying by 1, the number stays the same size. So the number stays the same. 1 times 12 equals 12. When multiplying 12 by 2, 3 or 4, just multiply each digit in 12 by 2, 3 or 4. 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 12 equals 24. We multiply each digit in 12 by 3. 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 12 equals 36. In 4 times 12, we multiply the digits of 12 by 4. 4 times 1 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 12 equals 48. We will now look at the rest of the 12 times table. To multiply 12 by 10, just put a 0 on the end. We write 12 with a 0. 10 times 12 equals 120. 10 times 12 equals 120. For all other numbers, we can use a different strategy. To multiply by 12, multiply by 10 and 2 and add them together. For example, in 5 times 12, 5 times 10 equals 50, and 5 times 2 equals 10. We add 50 and 10 to get 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. In 6 times 12, 6 times 10 equals 60. And 6 times 2 equals 12. We add 60 and 12 to get 72. 6 times 12 equals 72. In 7 times 12, 7 times 10 equals 70, and 7 times 2 equals 14. We add 70 and 14 to get 84. 7 times 12 equals 84. In 8 times 12, 8 times 10 equals 80, and 8 times 2 equals 16. We add 80 and 16 to get 96. 8 times 12 equals 96. In 9 times 12, 9 times 10 equals 90, and 9 times 2 equals 18. We add 90 and 18 to get 108. 9 times 12 equals 108. We can add these results to our 12 times table list. 5 times 12 equals 60. 6 times 12 equals 72. 7 times 12 equals 84. 8 times 12 equals 96. And 9 times 12 equals 108. To remember these, we can compare the last digit to the answers of the 2 times table. If we know the 2 times table, we know that the 12 times table answers end in the same digits. Here we have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. To find 11 times 12, we take 120 and add 12. We have 100, add 1 to 2 to get 3, and add 2 to 0 to get 2. 11 times 12 equals 132. 12 times 12 equals 132 plus 12. We have 100, add 1 to 3 to get 4, and add 2 to 2 to get 4. 12 times 12 equals 144. We can remember these last two because 1 times 2 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. This helps us to remember which answer matches which times table. We can remember the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, which repeats 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and starts again with 2 and 4. If we remember one times table, we can work out the next one using the 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 pattern. We can also add 60 to the previous times tables to help us remember the numbers. So 12 plus 60 equals 72. We increase the tens column by 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 6 equals 13. And 8 plus 6 equals 14. If you wish to memorize the 12 times table, pause the video now. Here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video and have a go. Question 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 times 12 equals 36. Question 2. 5 times 12 equals 60. Question 3. 7 times 12 equals 84. Question 4. 12 times 12 equals 144. Thank you for watching. If you would like further practice, more questions are available on our website.